Hey guys, so today I was going to show you what it's like making money on YouTube, what you can expect when you're trying to make money on YouTube. Now, I have about a little bit shy of 250 videos right now. A lot of them are just released, so we got to see how they'll play out. But if you want to know, like, for the views, now all views are different because all ads are different. But just to give you, like, a general idea, so for the past 28 days, I got 17,000 views. But my estimated revenue was only $15.86 for those 28 days. So if you're trying to be a YouTuber, now this only includes for my YouTube ads. So, you know, you can make more if you sell merchandise or if you have affiliate links or something like that. You can make more money than just your ad revenue for YouTube. But any case, so for me, I would say I at least want $1,500 a month. And if I got that only from YouTube, that means that I would need about 1,700,000 views a month. So if you're trying to actually make it, then you'd want that. And also you gotta remember that sometimes that not everything is going to be good for ads. Like almost all of mine come from one video. I get 834 from one video. And not all videos, like I didn't know this when I started. Not all videos will show up as getting advertisements. Oh, at 235 videos. A little bit, like I said, a little bit shy of 250. And then limited. But I'm gonna show you like what happens when if a video they deem it like not like something that they get advertised, they'll put limited or no ads on it, and then no ads will come up. Like if you have something that if you cuss in anything over in it, or if you have something about drugs, then you are not going to get any money from that video pretty much, unless it's from uh, ads within your comments. But it's still good to do if you're really serious about a certain topic and you want to discuss it anyways, because it's good to get a certain audience, the audience that you want for your videos, which is something I kind of have a problem with right now because I don't know if I should create another channel or if I should just keep this one, because part of me wants to diversify and have it show only like what I want. Like, cause I know I have some videos about drugs, and then I have other videos about affiliate marketing and other videos about forex, and it's all kind of they're all different. They're all very different, and it's not very nichey. But at the same time, like for me, like I think about it, it's like, oh well, I'd really like to just have that one YouTube channel and that one brand and just do a little bit of everything. And I hear different things from different people. I'm not really too sure what I'm going to do, but that's pretty much like the gist of how much you make, like with the views and everything. I just wanted to show everyone that might be trying to start a YouTube channel. Like it seems very difficult. It's kind of like a marathon. Unless if you're really good at some things, because I don't really have even that many subscribers. I only have 1,500 subscribers. But if you make some like really good videos, then you could get people really fast. Like this guy, there's a whole bunch of Dragon Ball Z people that are really good. They post fan manga, which is really cool. This guy who makes little sprites for Pokemon. Like if you're a good developer, or not a developer, but a good artist, you should have no problem making money and getting a whole bunch of views. I'm not a really super good artist. I'm really just kind of working on my video editing right now and doing a whole bunch of other new things and working on financial markets. And that's kind of what my interest is right now, and YouTube, of course. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give it a like and subscribe. Check out my other content. It really does help a lot if you do. So you all have a good day.